Well, good morning. This is Saturday, August the 2nd, 2014. And this wheel's been turning now. This is going on the third day. It has a load on the battery there of 80 Ostable multivibrators. They're just to keep the battery from overcharging, and I thought they would go dead in a matter of a few hours, but they're still running full brightness, and the batteries have dropped a little, but not that much of a significant amount. The power consumption total, as you can see, same as it was 3 days ago. Just holding right in there steady. We're looking at 7.5 watts or less to run this unit. Of course, you know, I never make any conclusions or anything. Sometimes testing does get in the way of progress, though, and I really want to put a power coil on there, so I'm going to have to make it. And I'm going to begin today, and I did want to show you at least where I was coming from on this. This is a snap of Bill Moeller's coil, the Moeller motor, and he claimed very slight cogging on this, and has a magnetite core, and you can see all the specifications there. I'm not going to read it to you. Okay, and that's basically what I'm going to be making, something like that. Okay, I'm going to start with, I've made a magnetite core, and I've used urethane rubber mix that I got from US Composites. And basically this is 70% magnetite and 30% the rubber mix, 2 parts A, 1 part B. It's set up, I'll be using probably, maybe 2 inches of it or so. But I'll be wrapping my coil right on there. I'll be doing it by hand. The items that I'm going to be using are the acid brushes, which I will be applying the epoxy as I needed. I'm going to be using super glue, and that'll be to secure it long enough to get the epoxy on there. And the epoxy, all of this I got at Harbor Freight. You know, there's some older stuff I'm going to use first. I mix it in these cups I got at GFS. I use those, they're like 0.75 ounce or something like that. But I use 1 cup and 1 brush, and it's used and thrown away. I don't try to reuse anything on this. It's really a waste, but hey, it works. It's got some old electrical tape that's fallen apart. I use that to secure things at the beginning. And for the wire, I'm going to be using number 22 magnet wire that I got from Applied Magnets, or Magnets for Less. I don't know which one you want to call it. And basically that's it. I'm going to be making a bifilar coil. I'm going to wind it on there 2 side by side, but instead of one of them being a trigger, they're both going to be power. They're going to be joined in a Tesla bifilar method, so that there will only be 2 wires that are used. 2 of them are going to be soldered together. Okay, and I guess that's going to be it for now. Get this powered coil, and voila, I will find out if this thing, when it continues to run like that. I'm thinking though, for power you got to be moving this a whole lot faster, but on the other hand, I'm going to see what I get just the way it is. Just a little quick test. I'm sure once this wheel gets some gusto on it and starts moving a little faster, we'll get a little more power, more amperage. Hey, what do you want from an uneducated guy? Hey. That's it for now. I'm going to go ahead and put this coil together, and I'll make another small video as soon as I get it together and start testing. Peace be with you.